Hey guys, so this video is in collaboration with Urban Elements Salon and Education Center. I just want to say an incredibly huge thank you to Aliena for involving me in this wonderful collaboration. My name is Sydney, and you're gonna see me on a billboard by the end of this video.
Tack it down to like give it tension. I might even like move it over.
Oh right, so you have a little more space. Yeah, maybe.
I know, get in there. I want to see what you look like.
Oh god.
I like to challenge everybody.
How? How? I don't even know. Claws and fingernails.
Yeah, I know, right?
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
I'm having a hard time. She had to open my can of soda for me, or my sparkly water. I'm challenged with these. Woo! All right. Finished. Beautiful. Long as hell. A little bit of blood. You can't probably see it because it's probably focused on my face. So I'll just kind of give you the lowdown on what's going on tomorrow. Or at least what I know is going to go on tomorrow. Ollie is a very spontaneous little sunflower, so you never know exactly what's going to happen when you collaborate with her. I saw her setting up that backdrop. I guess we're going to be doing some indoor photos at that salon that we were at, and they do billboards in Petaluma. Own one or something, and kind of just change the photos every so often. So this won't be able to be posted until after it's, you know, finalized. Probably wondering why I got in on the wrong side. It's because my car door is broken and I can't open them with these appendages. All right, time to go. Time for a photo shoot. How exciting. It's the day of. Ha ha. Elevation! Now you look like You guys ever throw candies? That's what I feel like.
Can we put
Girl. Your girl's been published. That's my face. I know it doesn't look like me, but that's my face, okay? I promise. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and like it if you guys did enjoy. I will hopefully be doing more videos in the future. No promises because I have no idea what I'm doing. Thanks!
I feel like we're in like the best girl gang ever, and like this like makes me feel so good. Like this like rejuvenates me.
Bye.